Nagas Bridge. Wow. Tallest bridge in the Philippines. Yan.
Yan nga lang yung poste, B. Dalawa lang yung poste niya.
Southern Leyte was completed under administration ni Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. August 2009. Ito pala siya. Grabe, ganito kalalim guys. So, grabe. Nakakalula.
Nakisama yung panahon. Doon tayo, yung gitna.